What's up, everybody? We're back and we got another explosive video for y'all today, and you will not want to miss today's video, guys, because I have a lot of bombshells to give you. Alright, guys, we have a lot of important stuff to go over. So much stuff is happening in the market right now. We are not going to be doing any technical analysis in this video today. Okay, we're going to just stick to a lot of fundamental information that you need to know, because all this stuff is going to affect us as we move forward, and we need to be prepared and ready. Okay, guys, and I want to get right into it. But before I do, I got to tell you, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, and it's for entertainment purposes only. Alright, guys, now I'm going to try to zoom through this info because we got a lot of stuff to go over, and I got a few clips I got to show you. Okay, guys, we're going to be covering a lot of things, so let's get right to it. And first thing I want to do is start with this tweet from Digital Asset Investor. Okay, guys, he says they don't have to be able to stop Bitcoin. They will control it through carbon taxes. Write it down. Proof of work will be slapped with carbon taxes. I may have to bring my 8-year-old out of retirement to draw you a picture if you aren't seeing how obvious this is. And then he shares two things. He shares a picture from Google, and look what they're doing on Google, guys. Carbon neutral since 2007. Okay, do you see the narrative shifting? They're really trying to bring this focus and emphasis on this green energy. Okay, guys, and then look what Elon Musk tweets. It is high time there was a carbon tax. Guys, this is what they're trying to do. And on top of that, guys, look at my lucky numbers right there. 742. Let's go, baby. You know how that means, or you know what that means. All right, anyways, let's move on, guys. I want to show y'all a chart real quick. XRP consumes less energy than Ethereum and Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin's out here using 68.81 terawatts annually. Okay, like that's what BTC mining consumes compared to XRP using 0.01 terawatts. Why would the world, first off, real quick, this is just with the current usage. Imagine if the whole world used this. Okay, this energy would be much, much higher. Okay, because the network would have so much more demand on it. It'd be a lot more sluggish too, due to all the, extra traffic in the network and whatnot. It only does 7 transactions a second. Alright, guys, XRP does 1,500 a second. Why would we, it doesn't make sense to take an older technology that's slower and clunkier, alright, that we don't know who created it, that isn't energy efficient and leaves a massive carbon footprint, okay? And it's more expensive. Doesn't make sense to take that when you have something like XRP that can settle transactions in 7 seconds or less for fractions of a penny, is barely using any energy. We know who created it. They've been working with the banks and regulators for like 8 or 10 years. Okay, guys? And it does 1,500 transactions a second. And it's as green as they come. Come on, guys. Why? Doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. Bitcoin's not even decentralized. It's actually centralized through mining pools. This is a truly decentralized network over here with XRP. So it just doesn't make any sense for why Bitcoin would be the one. All right, this is just a fairy tale. Bitcoin maxis are in denial, okay? And I'm going to show you a Bitcoin maxi who's in denial, and his name is Anthony Pompliano. All right, guys? Personally, first off, let me tell you real quick, I don't hate the dude, all right? But I will tell you, I'm not a fan. I don't like how he harms investors with intentionally bad advice, okay? A lot of times he doesn't like answer the questions, or he'll mislead, or he won't give a thorough enough explanation, okay, guys? He's really, in my opinion, he's just a puppet for the elites, okay, for the people at the top. And I think they use him to kind of push this narrative, but I mean, it looks like they're done with him, because I've been seeing him get just slaughtered in all these interviews. And here he is on CNN with Julia Chatterley. I love Julia Chatterley, guys. Okay, she's a real one. She knows what's going on, and she wants to be the one who breaks the story. She wants to be the one covering it, guys, okay? Very smart woman, and she's just real with it, okay? Anyways, I'm going to play you guys this clip, okay? It's like 50 seconds. 1 second.
I was looking for it. Cambridge University did a big study, and I've read it. I guess some of the criticism that will instantly come is 65%, I believe, around of Bitcoin is mined in China, and whether they're using renewable or not, it's tough to verify. Do you accept that that is a challenge here in terms of verification of the data? But also, even if we're just talking about digital assets in general, there are cleaner energy versions, Ether, for example, XRP, not mined. Is that a fact that we can stick to at this moment?
Yeah, I mean, I think one of the big things here, right, is to remember that money is energy. It's stored energy. And so you need some conversion of energy to have money be valuable.
But you didn't answer my question. There is cleaner digital assets than Bitcoin. We're clear on that. And I think that's important for people to understand whether you love Bitcoin or not, or you like other digital assets or not. I was looking.
Wow, guys, she schooled him. He didn't answer the question, okay? Because he knew what the answer was. And this is the whole problem with these Bitcoin maxis, okay? These Bitcoin maxis, they don't want to face the truth. You can believe whatever you want. You can love whatever you want. You can support whatever you want, guys, all right? But you got to stick to facts. Especially when you're giving financial advice to people. This guy's advising people. He's big in the community, okay, in the crypto space. And the fact that he just does this kind of shit, and then, I mean, instead of answering the question, he said, we gotta remember, money is energy. It's stored energy, okay? You need an energy conversion. That makes no fucking logical sense, okay? It makes no fucking logical sense. It's a representation of energy. All right, you don't actually have to like go burn electricity to validate it as energy. It just doesn't make sense. Okay, guys, XRP is pre-mined. Everybody agrees to use the technology. They scale the price to meet the demands of the world economy, and you're good to go. All right, with no carbon footprint. Again, he didn't want to answer a simple question when it's a fact. Right here, guys, okay, just a simple chart right here. This guy's supposedly running a hedge fund, okay? He should be a lot smarter than this, and you can see that there's an agenda, okay? They're trying to keep a narrative, and I mean, if you, I don't know, you know, who you guys watch other than me. If you're watching Pomp for Advice, I'm telling you, you're getting played. I would not trust this guy. Okay, I would not trust this guy. Anyways, I need to show y'all this, guys. Okay, y'all who have been with me for a little bit, y'all got this gift already. Y'all who are new here, I've been getting more subscribers. I think I'm at like 55 now. So welcome. I appreciate y'all. Okay, but yeah, guys, this is the Interledger Protocol family and ISO 222 ecosystem. There's my numbers, guys. 724. Anyways, this is a crypto map. Okay, in my opinion, this is really the map of the cryptos you need to win, all right? We got XRP, we got IOTA, we got Zinfin XDC, we got Stellar Lumens XLM, we got Algorand, okay? These are the ones. But anyways, I'm not giving you this map to show you the cryptos right now. I'm giving you this map because I want to draw attention right here. Do you see this? This is consensus, all right? And check this out. Boom. Ripple, CoinShares, and who? Consensus. Join Crypto Climate Accord. Do you see how it's all playing out? Do you see how it's all playing out, guys? And on top of that, you gotta remember, Elon Musk has changed his tune. He was all for Bitcoin, and now he's like, oh, we can't take Bitcoin. We're not sure, you know, about the impact on the climate. Well, you're telling me the second, maybe even richest man in the world. I know him and Jeff Bezos be switching spots constantly. So you're telling me the first or second richest man in the world who's running Neuralink and SpaceX and Tesla and all these other projects, okay? He's, you know, this genius. You're telling me that he just found out Bitcoin's not climate friendly? Come on. This is a narrative for the masses, okay? Elon Musk is popular enough that he can, like, roll this slowly out for the masses, okay? They're hurting them, like, hey, guys, okay, so now y'all know what crypto is. I told y'all about Bitcoin and Doge. I let a popular car company called Tesla accept it, okay? But now we gotta let y'all know a little bit more about crypto. So some of these cryptos aren't environmentally friendly. Now people are going to start looking into climate and how that's going to take play into this entire thing, into this whole space, all right? And this is why Bitcoin can't win. It's not going to win, guys. It's just not energy sustainable. It uses too much, all right? Anyways, let's continue, guys. We got two more pieces of big news I got to give y'all. German regulators are cracking down on Binance, okay? They are cracking down on Binance. And to make it even worse for Binance Exchange involved in a massive investigation by the Department of Justice and the IRS for price manipulation, tax evasion, and fraud. Come on, guys. Come on. All right. This is big. Now, personally, I'm not worried about Binance, okay? Actually a big fan of Binance. That's my ideal exchange to trade on, okay? And then on top of that, you gotta remember, Brian Brooks, the former head of the Office of the Comptroller's Currency, okay? He used to also work at Coinbase. He just became the CEO of Binance US. All right, guys. I don't think Binance is in trouble when they got a powerhouse like Brooks on their team, okay? He's also got heavy ties to Ripple. So I think this is more so to set things up for the real takedown, and that's this, guys. Tether. Tether, the most highly traded cryptocurrency by volume, released a legally mandated breakdown of its reserves. Only 3.87%, with 42 billion plus Tether in circulation at the time, is cash. The company once claimed that all Tether was backed 1-to-1 with cash. Guys, they are lying, okay? They are manipulating this crypto. They create it out of thin air, and they claim to have these dollars that back every single one that they create. And that's not true, guys. And here it is, okay? It's not true. The Tether, when the whole thing with Tether here goes down, the entire crypto market, the entire crypto sphere is going to shake and tremble. Okay, this is massive. This coin does more volume than any other coin because it's a stable coin. So when people aren't trading, they jump into Tether so they can stay stable before they enter a position again. Okay, it lets them hold on to profits. And now look what's happening with it, okay? Every time the Bitcoin price comes down, if you've noticed, Tether likes to print more Tether out of thin air. They buy up the supply, making the illusion that Bitcoin is on a bull run and it's moving up, getting dumb money to jump in like, here we go, it's another bull run, so that the people who got in early can sell off their Bitcoin at these high prices. And they have a lot because they bought it when it was real cheap, okay? So they need time and they want to sell it for real money. So people buy with their real dollars and they dump it to them. Okay, guys? And soon Tether is going to fucking melt. Okay? It is going to melt and the entire crypto sphere is going to feel it. All right, and they're setting it up, and that's why I find interesting. And then look too, it says tax evasion and fraud, and I bring that up because I know y'all saw the Colonial Pipeline. Come on, guys, they paid 75 Bitcoin to the hackers, roughly worth $5 million. Okay, they didn't pay them in dollars, they didn't pay them in another crypto, they paid them in Bitcoin. Okay, it's because we got this kind of shit going on. All right, we got this kind of shit going on. Okay. And anyways, let's continue. Breaking news. Tether's first reserve breakdown shows token is 49% backed by unspecified commercial paper. Come on, this is from Gold Telegraph, guys. If you want the source, he's got it right here. Okay, you can go check out the source. It's from coindesk.com. You see what's happening, guys? Do you see the narrative? It's shifting and it's shifting fast. And it's shifting in the XRP's favor. We're about to win this lawsuit, okay? From what I'm hearing, I was watching Jeremy Hogan's video. For all y'all who don't know, go follow him on YouTube, Jeremy Hogan. His channel is Legal Briefs, okay? He put out a video explaining what's going on with all this court stuff with Ripple and the SEC. And he's saying we're going to know within 2 weeks if Gary Gensler is going to dismiss the case or if he's going to hold his ground for the SEC and they're going to take it further. And if that's the case, we might be looking at like a September settlement or something, okay? We'll have to keep our eyes on it. I personally think it's going to get dismissed within the next 2 weeks. It times out perfect with our predictions. We've been saying May and June are going to be bullish, guys. Me personally, I got XRP getting to $5 this month or next month. That's my opinion, okay? Opinion. I'm not saying that's a fact. I don't see the future. I have a crystal ball, okay? I do have a crystal ball, so I guess I do see the future. But again, it's just a crystal ball and things change. But I personally got XRP getting to $5. Alright, guys. Anyways, let's continue. Y'all know who Dan Pena is? I love Dan Pena. I've learned a lot from him, okay, guys? If you watch his videos on YouTube, you can learn a lot. He's a billionaire, very successful man. He might be a little too brash for some people, okay? But me personally, I like his style. I'm going to show you this clip from him, okay, guys? 1 second.
If you knew who was really behind Bitcoin, you would run as fast as you fucking could to sell it. I know 100%. If you knew who owned Bitcoin or who started Bitcoin, and you had Bitcoin, you couldn't sleep at night. I know. 100%. And when the real founder of Bitcoin comes out, it is my humble opinion, and there's nothing humble about me, Bitcoin will go to fucking zero.
One day.
In a microsecond, whoop, like that.
Did y'all hear that? He said Bitcoin will go to zero in a fucking second, in a microsecond. Boom. Just like that. Boom. It's done. Think about it, guys. What if you found out? What if you own Bitcoin? This is just a hypothetical, okay? What if you own Bitcoin right now and you found out that the Communist Party of China created Bitcoin? Are you still going to want to own it? No. Okay? And I'm sure there's a lot of other people that could create it that would also freak us out as well. That's the problem with Bitcoin. Why would the world adopt it when we don't even know who created it? Okay, there could be a backdoor, in the code, and they could steal the wealth or something. Who knows? Or shut down the system or something. Okay, it's already centralized through the mining pool. Okay, it's not the one. It can't be the one. It's not possible. It's not possible. All right. Anyways, guys, I forgot to show y'all this to go back to the climate stuff. Janet Yellen, well, let me show y'all who Janet Yellen is, okay? Here's Janet Yellen, Treasury Secretary, okay? And look at what she's saying. Committed to using government's full power on climate change. This is big, guys. They're not going to let this up, okay? They're just pressing the gas now on this climate change stuff. All right? From Elon Musk talking to the masses and bringing it into their attention span, to Janet Yellen, to CNN with, Julia Chatterley. I mean, guys, it's coming out. Ripple and Consensus, okay? I mean, guys, this is what's gonna happen. All right? Anyways, I'm going to end the video right here. I just want to give y'all a quick little fun tidbit. This doesn't mean anything. I'm just giving y'all a little fun piece of information. Do with it what you will. This is XRP-illionaire, okay? Anyways, he said, I'm pretty sure it means nothing. I mean, the same day he dumps BTC, Tesla closes at 589.89. Nothing to see here. Alright, guys. Now, let me tell y'all real quick, because a lot of y'all probably have no idea what the relevance is. In the XRP community, a lot of people believe 589 is the price, that we're going to 589. It is a big number in the XRP community, okay? The rumor is that when XRapid comes out, it's going to create so much demand and volume on the XRP ledger that it's going to force the price of XRP up to $589. That with a few other components, okay? Like there's an upgrade, I think, called Cobalt that's going to make XRP supposed to be even speedier than it already is as well, okay? That, and then also XRP burning off XRP every time a transaction is made. Just so y'all know, I don't know if you're aware of this, every single time there's an XRP transaction, a very, 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 very small piece of one of the XRPs is destroyed forever, okay? And over time, this is going to destroy some of the supply, stabilizing the network. Alright, guys? Anyway, so I just found it interesting that Musk, who was this big Bitcoin guy, alright? Big Bitcoin guy, his Tesla car company was accepting Bitcoin for payments. He's tweeting about it, pumping it up, getting everyone excited. He helped Bitcoin get to 60K, and he just found out that it's not that energy compliant, okay? That it has a massive carbon footprint. Doesn't make sense because he's so smart, all right? He's so smart, and he's just now finding out. But anyways, the day he says we're no longer going to accept Bitcoin due to the climate, we see the big dump. And what did I say in the last video, guys? I said, I showed y'all, XRP was at $1.20 on the dot. Bitcoin got to 46,000 on the dot. All right, and Ethereum got to 3,500 on the dot. Isn't it weird that Tesla, the day that Musk turns his back on Bitcoin and starts talking about energy efficient cryptos, isn't it strange that Tesla stock closed at 589.89. I'm trying to tell you, like 589 is like a holy number in the XRP community, guys. Okay, for all y'all who are new, like you're gonna see it. You're gonna see people in the XRP community always going 589, 589, and it's just strange to me that all that synchronized like that, guys. I mean, look at everything and how it's playing out. Isn't it crazy? Isn't it crazy? Oh yeah, I got one more piece of information, guys. I forgot to show you this one too. Just in, Amazon and Ripple connected Safaricom Explore, enabling M-Pesa wallets on Amazon. Boom. Guys, I'm not going to get too into it right now in this video, but in a future video, I'm going to be getting more into detail about it, okay, guys? But I need to tell y'all something quick. The Nebster has major reason to believe that Ripple and Amazon have a major partnership, okay? And that Amazon owns a good chunk of XRP, and the announcement of this partnership is being saved for the right time. And if you just look at Ripple's track record, okay, they're very strategic when they announce partnerships. All right, they're very strategic. They don't just let it out whenever, okay? They're pretty strategic and sometimes even low key with it, all right? And it wouldn't surprise me if they're waiting on this. Guys, look what Ripple has going on for it right now. We have the Treasury, Rosa Rios, okay, the 43rd Treasurer of the United States, Rosa Rios, or Rosie Rios, joining the Ripple Board of Directors in the middle of a lawsuit, okay? We got Gary Gensler, a pro-crypto guy, now the head of the SEC, ready to dismiss this pathetic case because it was a bullshit case to begin with, all right? He does not want to start his new era, you know, his new time as SEC commissioner with all this going on, okay? We got the climate narrative changing. We're about to get relisted when we win this lawsuit against the SEC and get the settlement in, guys, okay? And now we have potential partnership with Amazon. Okay, I told you I'll get more into detail in it in a future video, okay? But for now, just keep it in mind that there could be a big partnership. I've been researching for like a week and a half pretty heavy on some stuff that's coming to my radar. And then getting this today, it's just further confirmation for me, guys, okay? Universe just letting me know, like, yes, bro, you are following the crumbs perfectly, okay? We are guiding you. All right, nothing is coincidence. Nothing is by accident. You're talking about rolling out the new financial system, okay? Everything's coordinated. Everything is perfect. It has to be, okay? It has to be. All right, there's no room for error. They've been ready for this since 2008 when we almost had that financial crisis, okay, guys? When we almost melted down. That's why all this crypto stuff even exists today. It was an answer to that financial crisis of '08, okay? But anyways, so guys, I just wanted to get y'all all this information, get y'all up to date, because a lot of this is very important and it's going to affect us going forward, okay, guys? Especially that tether shit. When tether pops, who knows what's going to happen to these markets, okay? I just know shit's going to get rocked. Anyways, I know we said no technical analysis. I'm just showing y'all XRP real quick so you know the price right now. We're at $1.36, okay, guys? We also got Bitcoin under 50K. It's at 48.9, and we got Ethereum under 4K at 3,950. All right, guys, just to let y'all be aware of it. And yes, I have a white background. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not, okay? If you guys like the white background and it's easier for y'all, maybe I will. If y'all prefer the black background, we can switch back to that too. I'll probably do a technical analysis with the white background just to get a feel for it. See if y'all like it or not. This is not a lot of time, okay? I haven't even drawn anything on here except these lines we already had. Okay, anyways, though, I'm sending y'all lots of love. I'm sending y'all lots of light, guys, okay? We're going to keep following these markets, all right? We're going to keep researching. We're going to keep putting these pieces together, getting all this information, because every day more and more is coming out for us, guys. And this XRP community is like no other community, all right? We're filled with so many intelligent people, okay? People from all around the world just looking at every single thing. We don't miss nothing, guys. That's why we're in the winning bag, all right? Anyways, it was good talking to y'all. I had a lot of fun doing this video. I will see you guys at the next video, all right? Take care.